Yeah, what's up guys, welcome to my 11th Visual Basic tutorial. So this is gonna be the continuation of the previous tutorial. I was talking about the if statement. So in here I'll be showing you a more complex if statement, which is the else if statement. So what the else if statement does in an if statement, it allows you to perform numerous conditions, such that you can give a condition for a certain event and also a condition for another event. So let me do an example so you can understand that better. So the simplest if statement is such that if num1 is greater than 3, then there should be an output, else then there shouldn't be, or there should still be an output but with a different message. Let's say no display. So this is how to use an else statement. So if num1 is greater than 3, then there should be an output, else then the other output should give another thing. So let's run this and see. But let me go to the design. So I don't want you guys to be confused about this. I just left this, probably I might still want to use it. So this is just what I'm making use of, and then the button. So don't be confused about this. I don't just want to remove it, but probably I might still make use of it, so just save time. So let me run this now. And you should understand that if you will be writing this program, you shouldn't need to declare all this, but I left it just to save time. So don't be confused about the program. What I'm actually using most here is the num1, which is this first one, and then this one, you can see. So all the rest are unused. So now if this number is greater than 3, then let's use 4. You can see display, and if it is not, let's say like 2, then you can see no display. So that is how an else if statement does. So this is just a simple else statement. So I tend to do another tutorial of the if, then, if, but let me just add it to this tutorial because I don't want it to be too short. So that's that about the else statement. It's give you room for you to give two conditions for an event which is not going to occur. Like if this condition is met, then there should be else. If it is not met, then there should be this. So the if then statement allows you to give numerous conditions. So now if num1 is greater than 3, then there should be this, else if you can see num1 is equal to 5, then this, you can see. So because all this is going to start with a single if statement, then you can as well end it with just a single end if statement. So starting this afresh is just like reprocessing the operation, but it's still going to end with a single if statement. So now let's run this application. So you can see if it is 5, we're gonna have, okay, the 2 is gonna occur. Let's see. Okay, let me try something here. I want to separate this. Okay, first of all, because the program is correct, but it had to use the first one here. So let me try to separate this. So it's gonna use this. Let me use the less than. If num1 is greater than 3, then there should be this, and if it is less than 3, so you can see. So if I have something like 2 here, I have no display, you can see. And if I have anything greater than 3, then I have display. So probably if you'll be using the next one here, so let me make use of the next text box. That's why I don't want to delete it, because I know I might still want to use it. So this is going to be num2, and this will be text box 2. You can see. So if num2 is equal to 5, then there should be no display. So let me run this again and see. So if this is greater than 3, which is 4, and if it is 5, so we should have the output now. You can see display, but why am I not having the next one? I don't know. Maybe the show message bus can show the two at the same time. So that's just the basic thing about the if then statement. It allows you to set two conditions for an event, probably but one output at a time. So that's the if then statement. So don't expect, that was why I was not having the two output at the same time, but you can as well set two conditions for it, so it's gonna have two different outputs. So let's do one more example again. So let's say we want to break, we don't want to obey the first condition. Let's type 1 here and then 5 here, then we should have no display. So you can see no display. So you should just know all these are working for the same condition. Probably if you want to use something like this, then this condition, this num1 is still going to be here, stuff like that. You understand what I'm saying? It's not really meant for you testing for two conditions. You understand what I'm saying? So let's say we want to have two different outputs, then the program should be like this. You can see if num1 is greater than 3, then there should be this output. If num2 is equal to 5, then there should be no display. So with something like this, you should have two different outputs. So I just want you to understand everything clean and clear. So greater than 3, let's use 4, and then equals to 5, let's test it by using 5. So in here, when we press this, you can see display and also no display. So the two conditions are met and it is showing the same result. So if you want to output, you can as well just separate it by using just a simple if statement. You can see we have two if statement, but if you actually want to join it, then there's going to be only one output, so one condition is going to be met in everything. So that is how to use the if statement, the if else statement, the if then if else, if then if statement. So I've been able to show you how to use that, and if you are missing this tutorial, you can just check the previous tutorial for you to understand that. So in the next tutorial, I'll be doing an example of an if statement. So thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy.